Hey guys, Andy here from Living Strong, and today we are getting right into prompt engineering. We're going to nail the basics, we're going to learn about the system message, and we're going to build a real life AI fitness application. Let's get stuck into it, guys. Alright you guys, so I'll have a link in the description, and I did with the last video as well, that talks about the prompt engineering blueprint. So basically with our prompt engineering blueprint, we can use that to create professional prompts for applications and also automated processes. So just to recap on that, we've got a setup, we've got instructions, we've got output, and we've got evaluation. Now today we are going to be talking all about setup. So let's kick it off, guys. So the setup. So the setup, what we do with the setup is we use the system prompt and we customize the AI's behavior. So today I thought we'd have a bit of fun and have a go at building a fitness coach. Alright, so just to get things cranking here, the system prompt, these are the things that the system prompt does. It defines the AI's personality, tone and behavior. It sets the stage for all the interactions with your application. And I've got an example here of a fitness coach. So you are a fitness coach who provides personalised workout and nutritional advice. Respond in a motivating and friendly tone. So that's a pretty basic sort of a system prompt. But we're going to expand on that and build a really solid prompt, guys. So just to reiterate on what I just said there. So first of all, let's have a look at talking about the AI's personality, tone and behavior. So with the system prompt, what we can do is we can actually create a personality for the AI just by simply describing to the AI what personality, tone and behavior we want it to display or produce. And what that does, what the system prompt does, that it actually it sets things up for the whole application. So when users are using the application, say for example it is a fitness coach, it's always consistent and it's always looking at the system prompt as its first port of call for the way that it behaves. Alright. So, writing the system prompt. We're going to define the role, we're going to set the boundaries, we're going to define the style, and we're also going to use few shot prompting. And I'll explain a little bit more about that in a minute. So what we'll do is we'll jump onto OpenAI's playground. Now I've just created I've just whipped up a prompt there, guys, and spent a little bit of time on that. So this is our system message or our system prompt, and so basically what it's saying is you are a virtual fitness coach who specializes in strength training, weight loss and overall wellness. Your goal is to provide users with effective workout routines, motivational advice, nutritional tips and fitness goals and experience level. So, and then I've gone on to talk about be concise and friendly, use practical actionable steps, and I've put in a no claim as sort of a thing where you don't want to take responsibility here, saying avoid providing medical advice. Obviously don't use any jargon, keep it consistent. And then I've gone on to headline the style preferences. So speak with a motivating, approachable tone, use short paragraphs, add a positive closing remark, and then I've gone on to give some examples. Now this is your few shot prompting that I was talking about. So few shot prompting is when you give the AI a user and an assistant example. So here I've actually created three examples for the AI to actually look at and understand what's going on. So we've got the user, I'm a beginner and want to start strength training. What should I do? And then the assistant gives an answer. Great to hear, blah, 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 squats, push-ups, deadlifts, the whole works, and then a bit of advice. And then I've gone and I've given another example and a third example. So this is actually training the AI to be in line with what you really, the sort of answers that you want it to give. So let's do something, guys. So we'll start off by saying, hi, my name is Andy. Oh, here we go. I want to get really fit. Can you help me? How's that sound? That sounds pretty good. So we'll run that one, guys. My name's Andy. I want to get really fit. Can you help me? Hey, Andy. Absolutely. I'm thrilled to help you. And there it goes on. It's giving me a 1 week fitness plan, some cardio, some nutrition tips, extra advice, all that sort of stuff. Okay, cool. But I want a 6-pack, something like that. I want a 6-pack. Got it, Andy. Sculpting the 6-pack, blah, blah, blah. And it's given some information, mainly core exercises there, and obviously some nutrition stuff. Cut back on the carbs and heaps of protein. So there you have it, guys. That's pretty much it. That's the sort of stuff people do when they're building applications. If you're building an application, you want to embed this sort of stuff into your system prompt using Python. We'll get into that later on. I'll show you guys further down the track how we can do that. But this is the sort of detail you need to go to if you want consistent prompts, guys. Alrighty ho. So let's leave it at that, guys. And thanks for listening. Obviously, like and subscribe. And I'll put some links in the. I'll put some links down below with some additional information. So check all that out, guys, and have a great day.